Of the lamp?
Uh-huh.
Where? Wait, I want to see you eat your pancake.
Okay. Because I can eat pancakes really well.
You can?
Where's my juice? Without a straw?
Without a straw?
Yeah, look.
That's horrible. How can you drink juice without a straw? Is that yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Is it yummy?
It has sugar on it.
It has sugar on it?
Mm-hmm.
You don't like the syrup?
Mm-mm.
No.